G'day! In today's video I've got a Gigabyte 3060 Ti AORUS Elite. I believe it's an AORUS Elite. If not, it's just an AORUS. And in this particular one I just want to replace the thermal paste on it, as I don't believe it's ever been done. And it is quite a few years old now. So I don't know if this backing plate needs to come off, but I will start by taking out the 4 screws here and just see where we end up. This particular one is needing a bit of care and probably a bit more of a dust blowout while I'm there. Got that separating. I believe that these 4 screws here may still be holding it. Being there's only 2 more over here, I might as well do these 2 as well. These ones at the front here are slightly longer. These ones at the back are slightly shorter. Have a go like this, try and crack it. There you go. If I wiggle this cable, as with most, it's probably going to take the socket off the board. I don't know what it is with GPU cables for LED and fans, is they like to rip off the board. There we go. Now, we're not looking too pretty. I'm curious what this is over here. Not great on there. Zoom in and take a look. Definitely been a smoker's GPU. Checking it down here. All along here. All along here. So what I'll do is disconnect these cables. Which almost look USB-like. Very USB reminiscing. While I'm here, might as well take the rest of it off. Yeah, might as well. It's 2 more screws. I'll take that back plate off. Which has relatively long screws there. And I'll have a quick look on the back of the card. See how bad we may be. Here. And on the back, looking okay. So not really too much concern for the back of the card. Put this back on here now. Put those 3 screws back in. And I will go start up my air compressor. Now, I don't think I've got any thermal pads to replace this with, because they're not exactly in great condition right now. The biggest concern was the die. Just whatever else I can see on here. So I'm hoping a bit of a brush and an air compressor below will clean most of this off. And while waiting for my air compressor to pump up, just give the die a bit of a clean. That was just isopropyl alcohol I put on there. Toothbrush. I'll be back. Now I'm not sure how many mil this stuff is. It's not great at all, but it's better than what's tattered and remaining on there. Hopefully I can just spread this out to work on all of these. So I'm not too concerned over here right now, as there's still a fair bit left over. Actually, as I say that, that's what we've got left over here. If I can find a flat spatula, you'll do. See if I can clear off these tattered remains. And move over here. Don't want to use metal on here, or at least I want to try to avoid it if I can. As I say that, find my tweezers. There's some right here. You know, that's not really wanting to leave. I can see that being more of a drama. Trying to get that clear than just simply scraping it off. Where are my good tweezers? There they are. Now, let's see how this will go. I'm gonna go there. Ah, too short. No. And I've got nothing but size restrictions. The one that I got there is the other stuff that I've got. It's a bit too short as well. Up here. So yeah, we're not great. I think that's what's going to have to do. Just clearing it off here now. Down here. Probably should give this a clean while I'm at it. Work ongoing. Now with some GD900, but I've misplaced my spatula. I've got another one up here. Which, about the spatula, will make it a little bit more difficult. That will suffice. That out of there. Mix this up over here. Always best to give this, if you've got some thermal paste in a pot, always give it a bit of a stir before you use it. Pretty darn covered. Put this back on. And time to figure out these connections. One down here. Yeah, man. I'm assuming these are all just for the ARGB on the fans. Here, three in here, push that in. Now what I'll just line it up. Normally I'll just flip it over from here, but I do want to line it up first, just because of those thermal pads. go. Flip it over. Should be looking kind of alright. I'm going to loosely do up these four just to get it centered. Now the smaller screws went to the rear. Might have to get that cable fully hidden in there. There we go. One here at the rear. Another short screw at the rear. Slide this over. One screw here. Another one here. And the two long screws at the front. Tighten that up. One, just doing a cross. 2, 3, 4. All looking all right there. Yep. Thermal pads are slightly squished, I can see just down here, which is what I want. So looking down here. See it just there. Cool, I'm gonna put this in, give it a bit of a stress. But I hope this helps replacing the thermal paste on your 3060 Ti AORUS. Bye.